Hi guys, I am actually so excited because I have got my delivery again from Temu, and I have got the same stuff which I got it before, and that's those beautiful roses because I feel like they look absolutely amazing, especially now for a Valentine's Day. And I have grabbed some old sponge from the garden. I'm actually gonna cut it into smaller pieces and squeeze it into a flower box, because I want to do my Valentine's bouquet in here. So I'm just squeezing it in. It will be much easier actually to place those roses in there because they are so pretty. I can just open it up. And actually look how fantastic they are. Like, they've got all sorts of different colors. Obviously when they squished, you need to like tidy them up so they look prettier, and then we can start doing those bouquets. I'm straight away gonna grab the one I've gotten here because I do actually prefer it in the box. So this ones can just go in there. I cannot see the front because I'm kind of doing it from the back, but let me just move it. And then I want them to kind of be layered a little bit. So what I need to do it is bend this part and create some shorter flowers as well to squeeze them in there. They're absolutely amazing. I also got some nice stuff for Olivia as well. I'm sure she will be very happy. And I cannot wait because we've got also a new background as well to set up. It's gonna be called like a fairyland. I actually got it probably here as well. Yay, it is there as well. I cannot open it, but it looks so, because it's really big, but you will be able guys to see it as well, because I will probably record some beginnings in the video, like how we did the setup. That looks amazing actually, like really amazing. I can show you just a small part of it. No, that doesn't look amazing. This side looks better. This is an awesome background actually of a fairyland. You can see some butterflies in here and some mushrooms. So we will use that later on for the decorations as well. So bend that flower. Place the rose more up front. I believe they would need about 24 hours like the previous roses to kind of open up and straighten a little bit. They're still too high? No, I need to actually turn them a little bit into my way so I can see it better. I actually don't want them to be too low because then they will look cheap. I could actually work as a florist as well. Like, I would really enjoy it. Like, I love the flowers and gardens so much. Start getting fuller and fuller. such a pretty bouquet. It does looks really real. I'm actually gonna show you guys in a second what we have created, because it's almost there. I should have 100 of those roses. Need to definitely get more. And yeah, that's our pretty beautiful bouquet for a Valentine's Day. Absolutely amazing. Like, the roses look so pretty. And then I got some bits and pieces for Olivia too. They definitely Valentine's Day theme as well. Like, really nice tights. She actually loves them. And I think that will just inspire me for the next set of the nails, because you can see it as like a really beautiful lace, and there is nothing prettier than a black lace nails. They are so pretty. I hope, guys, you have really enjoyed this short video, sending you huge glittery hugs, and see you in the next one.